Shanito working on his brand. So you guys, we're in here on a Monday. Look at Sean personalizing his bag like there's no tomorrow. Nice. We're working on Andrew's design. Boom. So Andrew's a boxer. He's like around 11 years old. He's definitely a winner. We're probably gonna start traveling with him, shooting video, documenting his progress. And I believe his dad or his mom told me we're going to Vegas sometime within the next 2 or 3 weeks. So we're gonna be putting that on camera. And right now we're helping him with his t-shirts. So he has a fight on Friday that I can't go to because we're gonna be in California. But the following fight, I am gonna be there. I'm gonna go to his sparring sessions and just kind of like training so I can see his progress and see how better he's getting throughout his career, or at least for now, until they fire me or something. I don't know. We're in here to knock out a couple of one colors that we have. This is a one color with gold shimmer. Cancer is a dirty word. This one says cancer is a butthole, but in a vulgar way. And then we have Killer Cultures designs that we're printing today as well. We have those HAF shirts that we're doing as well. So we're gonna do 3 of these. They get a special number each shirt. And we're also gonna start printing out the film for Preston. So Preston, I know you watched the vlog. We're gonna start printing out your film. You already sent me the designs. You already sent me the sizing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. And we're about to get the day going. I just finished kind of cleaning up the shop a little bit. It was a little dusty. I took up the frames for that 5 color that we had last week.
Dance with your moms in the night time.
That one. Bro, chill. Should.
Hey,
right for you?
Right out there.
That's why I wear my sunglasses, bro. Brian said that I wouldn't burn one of my shirts because my ego's too big, but it's not true.
Ego?
My ego.
Your Falcon's too big?
My Falcon ego. So we're gonna burn one of my t-shirts just because we can.
And what brand is it?
Worry about the brand.
He said, make sure to tell them when you use that cheap stuff. Let them know that you're really down.
I'm not tripping about the brand. We're gonna see how good it burns. Brian doesn't believe me when I tell him I'm gonna do stuff.
This is a test burn. With that, what kind of lighter are we using?
Lighter? Arizona?
Designed by
El Killer Culture?
For
Paco Dope?
in
Arizona? Oh, it's burning all right, Brian. Got what you wanted.
I mean,
Just saying though.
hey guys, how's it going?
Watch it like leave a burn stain on the floor. Think it would? Maybe, huh? Yeah, I mean, it's going.
That'd be kind of cool design, huh? It's all burning the tag first.
All right, you guys, there it is. The shirt is on fire. Brian said I wouldn't, but I did. So if the ink wasn't cured before, it's definitely cured now. And I don't know if it's gonna leave a stain on the floor. It's definitely burned now.
It's always gonna be a reminder when the shirt burns.
Yep. My friend, the Night Rider, suggested that I do like a little review of all the designs that I've done are all the t-shirts that I printed. So I've been saving the samples just to kind of go over them. But I'll probably save a couple more just so I can do like a little overview of what we've done in the past week or two. It's not something that I can do every week because I don't print that much stuff to make it like a full day, like review Fridays or whatever you want to call it. But I will eventually get to this as soon as I stack up a couple more designs and I just go over it. Maybe talk about what mesh I used and what the design was for and all that stuff. So that's something that he suggested and I thought it was a good idea. We're gonna be in here cutting some Red for Ed vinyl. All right, so we just finished weeding out all the stuff for the Red for Ed vinyls. So now that all the Red for Ed vinyls are weeded out, we're gonna go ahead and laminate it with my pallet peel. So once this is done, we're gonna cut them out and wait for the customer to arrive. That way we can finish printing what we have and call it a day. Figured a way to cut these straight and much easier than using the scissors. So let me show you guys what I came up with. All you need is a T-square and a sharp razor blade, and you cut away. I don't know why I used to use the scissors, but I figured that if you have this and a T-square, you can get them much straighter and you can cut them out much faster. So if you guys cut vinyl, that's just one way to do it. I'm not sure if you guys know or not know, but I did some wine labels that I outsourced to this company called 4 Over. And they were for my friend's shop. It's called the Hidden Track Bottle Shop. So we went over there and picked up a wine, an Italian wine. So recently I started drinking more Italian wines because they have less sulfates, and apparently less sulfates give you like not a headache the next day, which I don't think is true because that just means you're dehydrated, but they taste better. I definitely like them more. And we also stopped at Gazooks to get some lunch. So it's Brian's first time having Gazooks, and he said it better be worth it because he spent $10 on lunch, so I think it will be. Now that we're back, we're gonna start finally printing what I said I was gonna print earlier, and then we're gonna be out of here. We're finishing the Killa Culture shirts, and while we're finishing, my dad came in because he has to do like a handicap sign at an IHOP for like a side job. And we're not gonna pay $50 or $100 for a stencil. We're just gonna make it ourselves, because that's what we do. We just know how to trace stuff and make it happen legit. We just cut like 40 of the Red for Ed vinyl stickers, and they sold them out like in a couple hours, so they ordered 50 more. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day.